Beautiful day at Fort Walton Beach MarineMax. My name is Titus Jones. Today I'm going to tell you about the 336 Canyon by Grady-White we have here on display. This one is blue. It is a beautiful boat. It's rigged with these awesome, big, amazing 450 Yamahas. I'll jump up on top and show you some more things. We're gonna start off at the transom area of the boat. You have a huge amount of space back there for casting. You also have a huge fish box here. What's really neat about this one is it has a separator, and it also has the Dominic cooling strips. You have a freshwater reservoir there, freshwater hose, rod holder storage, nice tow rail here, and I like Grady-White because it has padding all around, so you can stick your knee in there when it's time to reel up a big fish. You have live wells here. You have a Kenyan grill here, electric. Lots of rod holders, rocket launchers. Moving on up here to the helm, twin garment displays, toggle switches conveniently located. Everything is ergonomically set on the helm, air conditioned at the helm as well. And of course you have a bow thruster, joystick, digital throttle, Garmin VHF stereo. The helm is fully enclosed. It does have a vent to let air in. Overhead storage compartment that locks, very convenient. Gonna move up here to the bow. Huge bow area on this 336 Canyon. Ample amount of seating. You got your windlass anchor up there, and these cushions do remove in case you want to make this a casting platform. You also have backrests that fold out here when you want them. My name is Titus Jones. I'd love to show you this boat here at Fort Walton Beach MarineMax. Come see it anytime you want.